Welcome everybody back to the Building Equity Podcast. We're here to talk about May's foreclosure numbers. But before we do, I got to give you my disclaimer. We are not giving you any investment advice. We're not giving you any financial advice. This is strictly for educational purposes. And there you have it. As always, May 2023's foreclosure report is brought to you by IRA Title Pro. If you are buying and selling real estate using your self-directed IRA, you should consider IRA Title Pro. Head over to IRATitlePro.com, take a look at the wonderful suite of resources that are built for you to use at every step of your journey, whether you're buying, selling, or lending using your IRA. Let's dive into the numbers. Listen, this is going to be a very quick report because there wasn't much change from April to May in foreclosure starts and foreclosure sales. So I want to dive into the headline because it's a doozy. In REOs nationwide, April numbers were 2,919, May 4,020. That is a 37% increase in REOs. That's a really big deal. That's a headline that I'm sure you saw in the Wall Street Journal, CNBC, so forth. Now, what's an REO again? An REO, again, that foreclosure property made its way all the way to the end of the foreclosure process. There was an auction, and nobody purchased the home at the auction and reverted back to the lender. That's an REO. And if we were to look from a volume standpoint, remember, on your dashboards, you have the ability to look at from a volume, and usually you get the top states, your big states, your Floridas, your Californias, your Texases. But it's interesting, from a volume standpoint, REO, Illinois, Ohio, and Michigan. That's a big deal. So if you're an investor in those states, you want to dive in, head over to IRA Title Pro, sign up for your free state-specific reports, and you can actually drill into the county level and the zip code level to see what's going on, because there could be some distressed markets on the market for you. If you switch your dashboard and you look at the per 1,000 houses and you look at that view, Maryland, Illinois, and Michigan. So the Maryland aspect was a little bit different there. Definitely worth diving in and seeing where that information, what's happening in your state. So again, that's the report. Very quick, straight to the point, because the real buzz headline is REOs increased 37% in May of 23. I look forward to bringing you June's numbers when they're released. Please make sure to click subscribe, check us out, and we look forward to talking to you next week. Thank you so much for your time.